Oh, this is for our county.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey until 2 a.m. At 1:16 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near shore, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Arden and Chelsea around 1:25 a.m., Beckett and Chester around 1:35 a.m., Swedesboro and Swarthmore around 1:40 a.m., Gibbstown and Philadelphia International ARPT around 1:45 a.m., Paulsboro and Mulligan Hill around 1:50 a.m., West Deptford around 1:55 a.m. Severe thunderstorms produce winds of more than 57 miles per hour, or hail 1 inch or larger. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following county: Newcastle County, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Gloucester and Salem, and Delaware County, Pennsylvania.
Yes.